Hi, this is Android Cowboy, and today we're going to go over some of the main features of Android 4.2 Jelly Bean. So to have Android 4.2 for Jelly Bean, you'll need to have a Nexus device. Only all the Nexus devices are running 4.2 Jelly Bean. So that would be the Nexus 7, which is what we're looking at right now, the new Nexus 10 tablet, or the Nexus phone. But here we're going to look at this on the Nexus 7. So right off the bat, the first thing that you're going to notice is that you have this clock here, and that may look like a normal clock, but it's actually a widget. So as you can see now, I have scrollable widgets here. Here I put my calendar. I have my mail here, and here I can add more widgets. So right off the bat, cool feature that you could add widgets right to the home lock screen. So right away you can look at something that's important to you, maybe your calendar, without even unlocking the phone. So right off the bat, that's the first thing. Once you get to the device, the notifications bar has been changed a little bit. So now you have two separate notifications. If you pull down on the right hand side, you have quick settings. Here you can see there's various like brightness settings, Wi-Fi. So you have quick settings if you pull down on the right side. But if you pull down on the left side, you have your notifications. So this is the first time we've seen that, where these two settings have been separated out. Where normally they're all together when you pull down from the top. But now on the right side is quick settings, and left side is going to be your notifications. If you notice on the right side, when I pull down the quick settings, it has my name there, and the reason is that now another big feature for any tablet, in fact, is that you can have users login. So here right now I'm logged in with my account, but you can actually go into settings, and here you can see now you have a user option. You can click on that, and you can go ahead and add a user. And if you add a user, then whenever someone logs in as the user, then all their stuff is just for their own. So this is pretty much the same as you had on a Windows PC, where you would log in with a user, and then everything like the apps and everything is going to be specific to that user. So that's really nice, especially if you have family, or you have a lot of times you have kids who will use your tablets, and so you can have their own programs on there, and so it doesn't get mixed up, and it's really nice. And also you can that way keep tabs on what's being installed on tablet. But just in general, if people are, tablets are devices that most people tend to use, unlike a phone maybe that only one person has or around the house. So it's really nice to be able to add a user, and each person can log in, have their own apps, have their own things. And so those are the three main big I think changes that's come to Jelly Bean. Is going to be the widget lock screens. Widget lock screens. You have the quick settings along with notifications, users, and also Google Now has been improved, and you can launch it actually from the home screen. You can see there's a little dot on the bottom here. Not sure you can see that, but if you grab it, you can go straight into Google Now, straight from the last screen. And what's nice about it is that they've added a bunch of new cards. So if you go into settings here, when we go to check for Google Now, so you can see the list of cards have really increased. Especially also the main thing is Gmail. So now Google will grab things out of your Gmail, like packages, flights information, hotels. If you've booked something, then if you have booked a hotel and you've got a confirmation in your Gmail, it'll automatically get that information and send it to you on the day of your flight, letting you know whether it's on time or not, or if there's a package being delivered to you. So those are all brand new in 4.2, and you have also some other things here that have been added, like birthdays, concerts, photo spots, and there's some of the ones that were previously there, like weather, traffic, and appointments. But the main thing being the Gmail one, which is really nice and convenient, that it will pull these things out of your Gmail. So those are some of the new features in 4.2. Like I said, currently only the Nexus devices are running it. No other devices, I believe, have 4.2 currently. So if you want it, you're either going to have to wait till your manufacturer upgrades, or you can go buy a Nexus device. And I definitely highly recommend the Nexus 7, which is a really great tablet. So this is Android Cowboy signing off, and for more information, go to androidcowboy.com for all the information regarding tablets and tablet news and app reviews.